Need help with dog-related issues? This video is for you. When it comes to learning, we never stop. Whether it be new cooking techniques or new driving routes, we're always picking up new information. When it comes to dogs, there is always something new to learn. This video provides you with today's top tips that show you all about dogs. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Always have your dog on a leash when he's off your property. Dogs are easily distracted by other animals, cars, and kids, so always make sure to keep your dog on a leash for his own safety. Ultimately, you're the one who's responsible for your dog's safety, as well as its actions. Try to always be aware of how your dog is feeling. If your dog seems to be nervous, fearful, or scared of certain things, you should take note of this and try to avoid putting your dog in a stressful situation. When a dog is stressed or afraid, you could traumatize your dog if you insist that it stays in the stressful situation. Schedule regular veterinary visits. Regular veterinary exams are extremely important for your dog's overall health. As with humans, it is important to catch any health problems early on. The vet will make sure that your dog is up to date on his vaccinations, and check for any other issues such as weight and dental problems or parasites. Some people like to learn by watching, while others like to learn by doing. You need to attempt learning in both ways. The first was watching this video, which you have completed. The second is starting to use the tips to see which work for you and which don't, so get to it. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.